First Urdu drama name Inder Sabha. Which of the following participated in FIFA World Cup 2018 for the first time? Iceland. Name the British man who has become the first person to run the length of Africa. Russ Cook. First satellite in the world was Sputnik first. Most time zones country France. Which is the world's smallest country? Vatican City. When was the first FIFA World Cup inaugurated? 1930. Which animal is known to have 32 brains? Leeches. Which animal is known to plant thousands of trees across the world? Squirrel. Which is the first country to ban all synthetic cannabinoids? China. Google's first ever physical retail store set to be open in which country? New York. Which country released Islam map in May 2021? Austria. Which country hosted the Paris summit? France. Who became the first blind man in Asia and the third in the world to climb Mount Everest? Zhang Hong. Who has made a world record and become the fastest in the women category to scale Mount Everest? T. Sang Yin Hang. Russia has started its biggest nuclear power project with which country? China. What is the name of the fastest animal in the world? Cheetah. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Whale. Who became the first person to run across the continent of Africa? Russell Cook. Which country has the largest number of volcanoes in the world? Indonesia. The first Nobel Prize was awarded in the year 1901. Which is the tallest animal in the world? Giraffe. Who is known as the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Which social media app was the first to introduce stories as a feature? Snapchat. With which country India has deals to purchase Rafale fighter jets? France. First local bodies elections according to devolution power plan was start on 31st December 2000. Which is the last country got independence from Serbia in February 2008? Kosovo. Which country parliament has the largest membership? China. What was the first electronic computer called? ENIAC. Which city has the largest seaport of the world? Shanghai. Which country has become the first country to seize FM radio broadcasting? Norway. Which was the first air force of the world? Royal Air Force of Great Britain. What is the name of first Muslim astronaut? Sultan bin Salman Al Saud. The biggest Islamic country by area is Kazakhstan. Which is the largest crude oil producing country? The United States. How many people have walked on the moon? 12. Which animal has the largest ears? Elephant. वो कौन सा परिंदा है जो अपने बच्चों को दूधा पिलाता है? Chimgaddard. Which is the largest country in the world? Russia. What is the name of only bird which can fly backwards? Hummingbird. World's largest iceberg breaks off Antarctica into the Weddell Sea named A76. A76 according to Forbes 2021 which city has the highest number of billionaires? Beijing, China. Which country has become the first country to allow driverless cars on roads? UK. What is the name of the world's first artificial intelligence ship? Mayflower 400. When was the NanoSim first introduced? 2012. The world's largest and most powerful space telescope, James Webb Space Telescope, was developed by National Astronautics and Space Administration NASA. Newly crowned Miss Universe Andrea Meza belong to which country? Mexico. Simorg is the strongest supercomputer of which country? Iran. Which company has built the world's biggest airplane ever named Rock Stratolaunch? Which animal is responsible for the most deaths in Africa? Hippo. The first case of COVID-19 appeared in which year? 2019. Where is the world's tallest flagpole? Jeddah. Who was the first man to set foot on the moon? Neil Armstrong. What is the name of the world's largest active volcano? Mount Lua. Which planet has the highest number of moons? Saturn. In which year Australia won Men's Cricket World Cup for the first time? 1987. Where was the final match of the first Cricket World Cup in 1975 played? England. Which of the following won the first Cricket World Cup? 1975. West Indies. When was the first ICC Men's T20 World Cup held? 2007. The first Cricket World Cup was played between West Indies and Jawab, Australia. The first Cricket World Cup was played in 1975. Where is the world's largest lizard found? Indonesia. What is the most spoken language in the world? 2020 English. Which country has the largest population in the world? China. Polo game originated from Iran. Which country won the first ever football World Cup? Uruguay. What is the name of the furthest gamma ray emitting galaxy that has been discovered recently? Narrow Line Seyfert First. Charles Geschke. Charles Geschke, who recently passed away, was the founder of which computer software company? Adobe. Vera Jedroitz is the first female military surgeon of which country? Russia. Which mobile manufacturing company has decided to withdraw its smartphone brand from the market? LG. The world's first ship tunnel is slated to be constructed in which country? Norway. Which country makes world's first climate change law for financial firms? New Zealand. Which among following is rich in ozone? Stratosphere. Wonders of the seven wonders of the ancient world is still exist today. Great Pyramid. What is the fastest known marine animal? A sailfish. What is the name of biggest sea creature? Blue whale. Which is the biggest restaurant chain in the world? McDonald's. Largest Nadra office situated in Islamabad. How many cardinal directions are there in the world? 4. Where can the tallest building Burj Khalifa be found? Dubai. Which color is found on 75% of world's flags? Red. Which material is used to make an aeroplane? Aluminium. The famous Chief Salt Bay is from which country? Turkey. When was the famous Mona Lisa painted? 1503. Which country inaugurates an underground missile facility in 2021? Iran. Who becomes the first cricketer to score 3,000 runs in T20 International? Virat Kohli. Turkmenistan held its first elections to a newly created Senate on March 28, 2021. Which country registers world's first COVID-19 vaccine for animals? Russia. Which country now holds the world record for the fastest road construction? India. Longi Green Energy, which is the world's biggest solar company, belongs to which country? China. On which river the world highest rail bridge constructed? Chenab. Which is the highest railway bridge in the world? Chenab Bridge. Chenab is being constructed in dash country? India. Who was the first woman to be president of South Korea? Park Geun-hye. Which country produced the most pineapples? Costa Rica. Which is the world's most expensive fruit? Melon. Which country has the strongest currency in the world? Kuwait. When was the first YouTube video was uploaded? 2005. World War First was fought between 1914 से 1918. Who among the following tops Forbes World's Billionaires List 2024? Bernard Arnault. When was World Bank established? July 1944. Which country has the largest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Italy. Which is the largest animal in the world? Blue whale. Which of following is considered the world's oldest city? Damascus. The German sociologist to study the role and place of bureaucracy in modern state and society is Max Weber. The early human settlements were built on river valleys. When North Korea tested a thermonuclear weapon for the first time? 2017. Which of the following is the largest museum in Pakistan? Lahore Museum. Equator passes through one of these countries. All of these. Indonesia, Colombia, Brazil, Congo. All of these. कौन सा टेनिस टूर्नामेंट मशहूर ग्रैंड स्लैम चैम्पियनशिप में सबसे पुराना मुकाबला है? विंबलडन. द लार्जेस्ट लिविंग बर्ड इज ऑस्ट्रिच. व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ गुड्स ट्रेड इज बाय सी? 80%. विच मस्जिद हैज़ द टॉलेस्ट minaret in the world? डी जामा अल डी जाज़ेर Algeria. डी जामा एल डी जाज़ेर Algeria. Mutazila was an Islamic school of speculative that flourished in the 10th centuries. Where is flourished? Basra, Baghdad. Which of the following is not a Baltic state? Romania. Angel Falls is the world's tallest waterfalls located in which country? Venezuela. The largest Muslim country in the world by land mass area is Kazakhstan. Headquarters of the Financial Action Task Force is in Paris. Sayyid Ali Husseini Sistani, commonly known as Anatolia Ali Sistani, is one of the most influential political figure of Iraq. The first cloned animal was sheep. Who was Cleopatra, ruler of Egypt? Which gas was first used during World War First? Chlorine. Which continent has no desert? Europe. The largest country in the world by area is Russia. The largest ocean of the world by area, Pacific Ocean. And the most populous city in the world is Tokyo. Who is the first purchaser of Pak China made GF-17 aircraft? Myanmar. In which country the greatest and longest wall? China. Which is the highest mountain peak of the world? Mount Everest. The first Muslim Nobel Prize laureate was Anwar Sadat. The largest island of the world is Greenland. The antonym of established is displace. The largest producer of pig iron is China. Who became world's richest person in 2021? Jeff Bezos. Which month of calendar year can lack a new moon? February. Airship Hindenburg built by Germany met accident resulting into total loss and death of passengers and crew after anchoring at New York. Choose the correct sentence. Our home is built with bricks, or our home is built of bricks. Our home is built of bricks. Speed of light was first determined by Ole Romer. The deepest part of the earth is Mariana Trench. Largest galaxy in universe is Spiral Galaxy. First human heart transplant operation conducted by Dr. Christian Barnard on Louis Washkansky was conducted in 1960. A large water pond to collect Taluka Ain water in Thar and known by name Bhodesar is located in Nangar Parkar, a large water pond to collect Taluka Ain water in Thar and known by name Bhodeskar is located in the Nangar Parkar. The first atomic bomb was detonated. The first atomic bomb was detonated on which city? Hiroshima city. World's largest delta is in Bangladesh. The first audio tape recorder was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. An anti-terrorism court is established under Section 13. World's first 5G network was initiated by South Korea. The first Muslim woman to receive Nobel Prize in 2003 is Shirin Ebadi, who invented the first digital computer. John Vincent Atanasoff. First time cell was discovered in which year? 1665. Longest night of the year 22 December. The shortest day of the year is 22 December, which was the first company to produce a handheld mobile phone. Motorola, which was the first company to produce a handheld mobile phone. Motorola, who is the first Asian American to feature on US currency. Anna May Wong, who among the following discovered Australia for the first time in 1770. James Cook. They did not fight until other relatives had come. Here, until other relatives had come is an example of subordinate clause. The world's first nuclear power plant was built by Russia. Which of the following is the smallest bird? Hummingbird. The largest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. Which country has the largest army? China. Who laid first step on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong, the first person to draw the map of Earth. Anaximander. The largest wheat producing country in the world is China. Which country is the largest archipelagic country in the world? Indonesia. The world's largest freshwater lake is Lake Superior. The world's largest land border is between America and Canada. Which organization has given final approval to the world's first major all-law? European Union. Which country got tattooed Maori foreign minister gay deputy PM on November 2, 2020? New Zealand. Which country topped travel and tourism development index 2024? USA. Which of the following has topped the World Economic Forum's Travel and Tourism Development Index 2024? America. Which organization adopted the first law to tackle violence against women? European Union. Family magazine belongs to Nawai Waqt. A typical soundtrack which identifies a program is known as signature tune. Which was the first Gulf state who recognized Israel? UAE. Which river is also known as Oil River? Niger River. Dash is considered the largest glacier of the world, located in Antarctica. Lambert Fisher Glacier. When was Global Music Day celebrated for the first time? 1982. How many countries on the equator? 13. Which country has maximum languages? Papua New Guinea. Which country has recently become the first country to require climate risk reporting? New Zealand. The picture tube of a black and white TV. The set has only one election gun. The set has only one electron gun that produces the picture on its screen. The number of electron guns a color picture tube has is 3. Which of the following is the oldest tennis tournament in the world? Wimbledon. Which country is the smallest republic in the world? Nauru. Canada and US border is dash border of world largest. First space satellite was launched by which country? Russia. BRICS was formed in 2009. The first woman to fly to space was Valentina Tereshkova. Christina Koch set a record for the longest single space flight by a woman with a total of dash days in space, 328 days, which is the largest arms importer in the world. India. In which country paper was first invented? China. How many countries have a republic government in the world? 90. Where is world largest coral reef system? Australia. Which Mughal court is visited by Thomas Roe? Jahangir. Which country is not the part of CPEC? Malaysia. The first ant-like walking robot without GPS was developed by France, which is the largest library of the world. Congress. The world's largest glacier is Lambert. China imports palm oil from which country? Indonesia. Which is the largest exporter of arms in the world? USA. According to Global Peace Index 2020, which is the most peaceful country? Iceland. During which year the First World War was started? 1914. Minerals are extracted from which layer of the earth crust? Which country has the highest ratio of urban population in South Asia? Bhutan. Which is the second largest landlocked country in the world? Mongolia. The world's most popular sport is soccer. According to Economic Freedom Index 2020, which country is the freest economy in 2020? Singapore. As per Bloomberg Billionaires Index released on 31 August 2022, who is the richest person in the world? Elon Musk. Which country topped Global Electricity Review report 2024 published from UK? China. Which has become the world's most valuable company in 2022? Saudi Arabia. Saudi Aramco. Which has become the world's most valuable company in 2022? Saudi Aramco. The oldest anthem of the world is Japan. First woman prime minister of world was Sirimavo Bandaranaike, Sri Lanka. Total length of Great Wall of China is 21,196 kilometers. The largest producer of cotton in the world is China. Distance between Earth and Sun is smallest in month of January, which became first country in the world to require that a warning be printed on every cigarette? Canada. Which country topped the Environmental Performance Index 2020? Denmark. Which country has launched the world's first 6G device? Japan. Who is the first person? The world to climb Mountain Everest for the 29th time? Kamirita Sherpa. Galileo is associated with which of the following inventions? Telescope. Which country has largest reserves of petroleum in the world? Venezuela. Most widely spoken language in the world is Spanish. Hazrat Sultan Bahu was a Sufi poet. The world's first luxury airline for pets has been launched in which country? USA. For the first time in the world, which country has appointed an AL diplomat? Ukraine. Which country has unveiled the world's first 6G device? Japan. The world's oldest prime minister at the age of 92 is Mahathir Mohamad. Which is the largest tea producing country in the world? China. The first Gulf War started in 1991. Which country has the largest reserves of oil? Venezuela. Kangaroo is the national animal. DFGS DDFG SDA. Which city is known as the Big Apple? Washington, Wellington, London. None of the above. Jawab none of the above. Explanation: New York of America is known as the Big Apple. USA is known as Uncle Sam.